Welcome back, Special Agents. My name is Elizabeth and I am a field agent with Let's Talk Science at Cape Breton University. Today, we're going to be talking about our eyes. Come join me. No? Have you ever watched a cartoon and wondered, how did the characters move? Today, in our first mission, we're going to find out. We don't need that many materials. You're going to take your mission toolkit, a straw, and some tape. Then, from your mission document, you're going to take the template with a fish and a bowl. To start, let's cut out the template along the solid line. We are then going to fold the paper in half along the dotted line. So the fish is on one side and the bowl is on the other. Let's unfold the paper and tape the straw to the inside. Then we will fold the paper again right over the straw. Tape the edges of the paper so it is closed around the straw from all sides. Now for the fun part. Take your straw and place it in between the palms of your hands. Roll it back and forth really fast. Take a look at the fish. It looks like the fish is inside of the bowl. Why does that happen? Let's bring somebody in who can help us understand why we see the fish in the bowl when we move our hands like this. Hi there, field agent. My name is the professor, and yeah, I think I can help you out with your mission there, bud. It's something called the persistence of vision. When you see one picture, your brain holds on to it for a short period of time. When you see another picture, during that period of time, your brain sees both pictures. That's why we can see the fish in the bowl. This is how we see cartoons move. When we're watching a cartoon, we're watching a bunch of pictures moving at about 24 pictures per second. That's pretty fast. So when we watch that, our brain interprets it as the pictures all coming together, and it looks like the character is moving. Okay, well, thanks for coming in and talking to us. Now I know that we see the fish in the bowl because of persistence of vision. Thanks for having me, and I'll see you later. That was a cool eye trick, so let's try another one. Why do we have one nose, one mouth, and two eyes? We're going to find out right now. So what we're going to need for this mission, out of your mission kit, is a pencil and a piece of paper. You're also going to need to sit in a chair at a table. Now, you're going to sit an arm's length away from your piece of paper. You're going to close one eye and try to make a dot on top of the dot you already have on your paper. Open your eye and see how far away your dot is from your original dot. So what is happening? Why do we miss the dot when we close one of our eyes? The eye trick happening right now involves your depth perception. Depth perception is how you know how close or how far something is. When you can't see an object with both eyes at the same time, it is hard for your brain to know the distance between you and the object. If you want to try this trick again, close your opposite eye and try to put a dot on top of the dot. Keep trying to get your pencil on the original dot. Don't give up. This one's a tricky eye trick. So why is depth perception so important? Well, it's important for a few reasons, especially if you're a predator and prey species. Prey need to be able to see all around them in order to determine where predators are. But predators need to be able to see directly in front of them, so they can see how far something is away from them and how fast they have to go to catch it. For example, bunnies, pigeons, our buddy the squirrel, they're all herbivores, and they have eyes on the sides of their heads. This is important because each eye can pick up a different image and cross in their brain to make one whole image. So they have an image on the left, they have an image on the right, so they can essentially see all the way around them. So you can kind of see it with our squirrel friend here. But if we look at this porcupine skull, we can see that his eyes are on either side of his head. And when they do that, they're able to see where something is around them. If you're a prey species, you need to be able to see your predators around you, or things that could cause you danger. If you're a predator species, you need to be able to see how far something is away from you, so you'll know how fast you have to go to catch it. Critters like eagles, bears, coyotes, all of these animals have forward-facing eyes, and that's because they need to be able to see what they're hunting. Great work today, Special Agents. Today we learned how cartoons move and why depth perception is so important. Those eye tricks didn't trick us. Thank you for your help on my mission. Now me and my buddy, we're gonna go finish our movie. See ya!